How to find the category URL settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click Bigcommerce, and then go to settings. Now once you're here, here we'll find the URL structure. Then just click on it, and now as you see here we'll find store settings, and here you can manage product URL settings, category URL settings, and web page URL settings, and that's it. Now just go to this one, second one here, and then here you can manage it. You can change here anything you want, and then just click save. It will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.